friends, my name is Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I did this little curl look from this sad look with this 3-in-1 tool, and I used 2 different methods of curling when I did it, and I used top gloss to finish the look. Stay tuned and check it out. I set my 3-in-1 to 430 degrees. I'm gonna lock it in. It has the little arrow to show you where you need to lock it. So now it's locked. And I'm just gonna do tiny sections and just swivel them around. I forgot my heat mat to set this down, so that sucks. Also, the lighting here isn't that great today, but I do like this hotel. This is my 2nd time staying here. You guys probably recognize the room is kind of similar. It's just like in a different direction than the last one that was like this. And I believe I filmed in the other one at night. Now I'm filming during the day. Sorry about the cord. I'm not holding these super long. I am going the same direction. I don't know why, but that's what's happening. I'm really excited to be back in St. Louis again. The weather is amazing right now, so I'm never sad to go into nice weather. It's starting to get really cold in Chicago. Actually, St. Louis is not that cold right now. It's beautiful out. So just keep grabbing little pieces and keep twirling them around. I am gonna mess them up, so I'm not too worried about it. This is a move. What is that? Cool. And that side is done. I will brush this out a bit. Let me grab a little brush. I'll point you guys that way with my mess. I hope I brought my brush. Yeah, I did. And I'm gonna use a little bit of top gloss. Just for some shine. I don't know if you guys can see good. Let's go over here. Oh yeah, the lighting's way better over here. What was I thinking? Also, I put Chloe over there for you guys. Because I thought it'd be funny. But then I forgot that she was there, which is probably even more funny than the fact that I was thinking of surprising you guys with her. I'm gonna take this one section. I'm actually gonna use my iron like this, and I'm gonna drag this one out like this. Kind of leave it on there for a second, and then drag it, and then do that for a more Farrah Fawcett-y look with Betty bangs. Well, it is what it is. But yeah, I should wear not black shirt so you all can actually see the hairstyle. It's like a PC, messy, beachy wave. I'm like, I got nothing. My hand. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. BRB. I decided that I'm gonna film this side too because I don't know if you guys could see that side really good. This time I'm starting in the back and I'm gonna go forward. I'm literally hanging this iron off my leg so it doesn't burn anything in my room. In case you guys are wondering, because I'm dumb and I forgot the mat for heat tools. I always feel like every time I go somewhere, I forget at least one thing. Just the story of my life. I think I need an assistant, but Chloe's not a very good assistant. She doesn't even talk much. She's kind of shy. I'm curling everything backward. And I'm using the 3-in-1 as a curling one. So I'm just twirling it like this. And holding it there for a couple seconds, not long. And bam. I hate when I lose the hair that I'm working on. I think I touched the cord. No! I really wish I could bring my good lighting with me, but that's not possible. So you guys get all kinds of random lighting. It is what it is. So my hair is like kind of ombre. It's really dark at the top and it's lighter brown towards the bottom, but you can really see the reds in the bottom right now through the light. I feel like we've come so far with hot tools since the beginning. It's one of those things where it's kind of impressive the things we have now, or like even thinking about like a wand, which is super easy to use, as opposed to like curling irons and things like that, or like this tool that's, you know, 3-in-1. It's brilliant because it also has that Marcel, which I've showed you all in other videos. Cute. Maybe I should leave this clip here. What do you think? All right, and this last piece, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing I did on the other side. I did forget a mirror again. I just realized that right this second. Smart. If I forgot more than one thing, good job. Good going. I'm just kind of pulling to do that kind of Farrah Fawcett effect. And then I'll wrap around the bottom. Now I'll brush it out. You know what, I almost feel like I have to do this one the same way because it looks different. So let me do this last one like this. Doing the same thing on this side. And now that that's done, I'll take part of this and do it like this, where I pull it. See how it gives it that distance going out? And now brush it out. Make sure you let it cool a little before you do. And voila! Here's the finished look. I really need to start wearing a lighter shirt so you all can see better. Well, you get the idea. Kind of 70s flair. Vibes. I'm gonna have to put new extensions in soon. These are almost done. I keep thinking about cutting them shorter like this and wearing my hair short for a little, but I don't know. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and my little adventure back to St. Louis. I've been pretty consistent for like a little short while now with videos, so hopefully I can keep that up. I haven't been doing as many makeup videos and I really enjoy doing those, so just bear with me. Also, if you guys have suggestions for videos you'd like to see, or just more about my travels or my job, or like traveling for a living as a hairstylist, makeup artist, feel free to ask me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are, hit the notifications button down here and it'll remind you when I do post a video. Hopefully I get more consistent, then you guys just know when they're coming. But for now, while I'm wishy-washy, you can do that and then you'll know when I'm posting. Thanks so much. Thank you all. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.